Welcome to the Innate series, the ultimate resource for chiropractors looking to grow, thrive, and align their practice with purpose. In this week's testimonial episode, Dr. Rod Dahlinger shares how joining Aligned changed his life and kept him from leaving the chiropractic profession. Let's get started.
Hi, what is your name and where do you practice?
I'm Dr. Rod Dahlinger. I practice out of Monroe, Washington, which is northeast of Seattle.
Okay, and what was your practice in your life like before you joined Aligned?
Before I joined Aligned, I've been in practice for, I think, about 16 years, something like that. And I was actually thinking about getting out of chiropractic because it just wasn't giving me what I needed to help keep my family and things financially in line and what I needed.
So that being said, how has that now changed your life after Aligned, since obviously you're still in practice?
Well, after I came to my first boot camp, what we call it at that time, I listened to a couple people that had been involved with Aligned and how it changed their life, and decided to do that. And I got started right with the program, and within a couple 3 months, I was close to doubling what I had been making already at that point in time financially, and have been doing quite well since.
So what would you say to a chiropractor looking at joining Aligned and maybe hasn't taken that step quite yet?
I would say my philosophy has always been ready, fire, aim, and I would suggest the same thing. You jump in, get things going, and it'll change your life.
Thank you for joining us on Innate. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more resources, mentorship opportunities, and to connect with our community, visit amcfamily.com. Until next time, stay aligned.